Sup, peeps? So we're gonna do something a little bit different. Y'all heard of queso, right? You've heard of the restaurant queso you get. You've got Velveta's version of queso. But you haven't seen K&R's version of queso. I think you're gonna be pretty excited about it, because I know I am. Well, stick around, peeps, because I'm gonna bring the pain today.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and
All right, peeps, it's about time to get this thing started. So let's just break down the ingredients, shall we? I'm gonna throw some ground beef in there. I've got some leftover steak and pork I'm gonna put in there. Fry that up with it. Monterey Jack cheese, Velveta cheese. We got some smoky bacon cheddar cheese. We got some little green onions, jalapenos, your Rotel, some shredded cheese, some Colby Jack cheese, more cheese.
Did you mention cheese?
A few times. Just a small amount of cheese. But we're actually gonna put all this together, and guess what the final straw is gonna be? Dun, dun, dun! We're gonna smoke that bad boy for a couple of hours.
What?
Oh, it's gonna be glorious. Stick around, man. It's gonna be flippin' glorious.
So what you doing?
Well, we gotta get the ground beef all cooked up. I know you guys are probably looking at it going, where's the salt, where's the pepper, where's the seasoning, where's all that craziness that we normally throw into this? Well, big scheme of things, we are going to be adding a lot of seasoning to the queso itself when it smokes. So we're going to let all that kind of just blend in with it. So today, I'll probably salt and pepper it just a little bit, but actually just keeping the hamburger kind of simple. So I wanted to throw this out here and emphasize on the fact that currently I have zero heat underneath this because it's 101 degrees outside.
And it's cooking.
The burger, they're cooking by itself. It's a hot puffin out here, man, I'm telling you.
And just in case anyone thinks, oh, they're being crazy, you know, it's K&R. This is what they do. They're being just their normal selves. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna zoom in. 98 degrees.
In the shade.
In the shade.
Grill, not in the shade. So just so you guys really soak this in, this is the sacrifice that K&R does to bring cooking to you and fabulous recipes to you. It's 157 flipping million degrees outside, and I'm out here cooking and smoking for you guys. Just throw that out there. So, just to reiterate what we've done here. Velveta cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, a pork and steak mix, more Monterey Jack cheese, Colby Jack cheese, green onions, jalapenos, a bacon cheddar shredded cheese, more Velveta, Monterey Jack, hamburger. We cannot forget the Rotel. And last but not least,
Fiesta blend cheddar cheese.
Fiesta blend cheddar cheese.
In case you didn't realize, we needed more cheese.
So, boom, baby. Or how's that one guy do that? Boom. We're gonna throw a little Mexican Fiesta on that bad boy. Boom, baby. Oh. So, it's all together. How about we go throw this on the smoker? I've already had it going. We're gonna set it at about 350. Check it out for a couple of hours to see what's cracking. Let's go. Oh, snaps. All right. Smokes at about 350. I got this pan because literally it fits just perfectly. Well, okay, well, it did. Ha! We'll check back in a couple of hours, peeps. See what's cracking. Alright, peeps. As you saw earlier, she's all done. So let's just, during the cool down, you see the smoke coming around it. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy brought inside. And see what's cracking, shall we? So the Asmoke will do its cool down process that it needs to do.
Kids, do not try this at home unless you have those mittens that Kyle has on.
My official Asmoke.
Because otherwise you will burn your hands.
Yeah, it'll burn the bahoogie. It is time. It's kind of cooled down, but I didn't want it to get real cool, start thickening up.
Well, because, you know, Velveta.
Velveta. So I just kept stirring it, getting everything mixed up. Everything mixed up nice and evenly. You can see the cheese, the jalapenos, the green peppers, the meat, the Rotel.
Hi, random stranger.
Man, I tell you
go.
what. Let's dig in. Maybe. Holy moly. The seasoning, the heat from the jalapenos, the flavoring from the Rotel, the meat in there. Oh my God. Bro, it's so easy. And this is so good, and it was done within an hour on the smoker.
Prep and all, right?
Prep and all, you're looking at probably about an hour, hour and a half. But it's so easy, so quick, and you will be the star of the party. I promise you bring some stuff like this to the picnic or sitting around with family, or heck, if you and your significant other are just hanging out and you want to do something different, boom.
But don't take our word for it. Don't you have some random strangers across the way that were begging for some queso once you got it done?
I actually did.
All right, stay tuned.
So you know that people come out of the woodwork when we start cooking, and this one wandered all the way across the park.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Don't over-exaggerate it.
No. Did you do that on the smoker?
I did that on the smoker.
I can taste the smoke. Wow.
So we have a Backroads Art Studio thumbs up with the queso.